Yes, ready. This is a dictation at the rate of 100 words per minute. Yes, start. Sir, we have lived our lives in whatever way we have been able to live, but we have to see to the future generations that they grow up as useful citizens and they do their best for the benefit of the country, for the progress of the country, and for the secular and other ideals that we want to inculcate in our constitution. There are children who have no food, they do not have enough food, they do not have enough clothes, they do not have enough education. The directive principles of our constitution have directed us that the education of our children should be free and compulsory up to the age of 14. Now it has been reduced to 11 years. I would like to know in how many states this is happening. Even in the most advanced states at the primary school stage, only 78% of the people of school going age have been covered. The children are not able to go to school. In my own state, the state government has made it compulsory and free, but the rural children are not able to take advantage of it for two reasons. First, they have to earn their living, and secondly, perhaps they are not socially conscious of going to school. Motivation is required in this, and as my previous speaker has said, the problem would have been much less in all directions if we had paid more attention to our population control program some years back. Therefore, the program has now to be stepped up. It has to be taken to the villages. It has to be taken to the areas which are overpopulated, and it has to be taken to the population that is not healthy, that is not able to look after itself, leave alone looking after their children. Therefore, the program of population control is very important, and it should be taken to the villages, to the rural people by all means that is available to us. Then I come to the adult education. Our illiteracy rate is very high. Even in smaller countries like Cuba and Iran, though Iran is not so small country, they have been able to make their people literate up to 78% of their population. India should devote more time, more attention to this matter. Voluntary organizations also should come forward, and our center should pay more attention to it so that they can make our people literate in whatever way that is possible in the villages. It is the village population that is important, because we are in a democratic country and our democracy cannot go on working if the people who are participating in it are not literate, not educated, not conscious of their rights and privileges, and at the same time their duties to themselves and to the community and to the country. Therefore, I emphasize that the center should pay more attention to education so that all the states grow equally. Stop and over.